So, for my last holiday, I went to Italy, and I will tell you about my journey and everything that happened. So, listen carefully. The first thing I did was I went to the Emirates website, so www.emirates.com, and I booked my ticket online. I think the ticket was about 3,000 dirham, maybe a little more, maybe a little less. I booked the ticket in May, but my holiday was in June, so I had to wait for some time. Then next, on the day before my holiday, of course, I packed all of my clothes, all of my things, my iPad, my camera. I put everything in my luggage. My bags are ready. And then on Friday morning, I took a taxi to the airport. And I think I was maybe 3 hours early. So I had to wait for a long time. In the airport, I went straight to the check-in desk. I gave the Emirates lady with her little red hat and her little brown jacket, I gave her my passport, I gave her my bags, and then she gave me the boarding pass, which is like the ticket. After that, I finished at the check-in desk and I went through security. This is, again, where they check your passport again, they check your bags, you take your laptop out, you put your hands up, they scan you, they make sure you have no water, no guns, no knives, no dangerous things. But, alhamdulillah, it was quite quick. It took maybe 15-20 minutes, something like this. After that, you go straight to the departure lounge. And because I had a long time in the departure lounge, drank some coffee, I had some lunch, I did some shopping. I know for you look at all of the makeup and the perfume, some of the fashion, the expensive clothes. So I did that. I had maybe 1 hour to wait whilst my flight was arriving, I think 12 o'clock. So I finished shopping and then I checked the screen for my flight details. Now, if you've been to Dubai Airport, there's 100 flights on the screen. So it was kind of difficult to find my flight. When I found my flight, in big red letters, it said delayed, maybe 20 minutes. I was like, okay, no problem, 20 minutes. And then I check again, only 40 minutes. And then I check again, 2 hours. So halas, I had to wait for 3 hours in the end. So I sat in departures, I took a nap, I read my book. And then finally, when the flight was ready, I went to the gate. I think it was gate number 26, 27. Went to the gate. Very, very quickly, we got on the plane and finally we flew to Italy. It took 5.5 hours and then we arrived at our destination. I stayed there for 2 weeks and then when I came back to Dubai, again, my flight was delayed and I had to wait for, I think, just 1 hour this time. Anyway, that's the story about my last holiday. Inshallah, you can answer all of the questions.